Hey, it's Jason. Ground covers can be an alternative to mulch, grass, or gravel that can sometimes be a little bit harder to maintain. Ground covers can look really nice and give you a lot of design elements at the same time. Some of the really cool parts about ground cover that I like is that you can do what we've done here and just let it go a little bit more natural, where it grows in between each other and into each other. If you want to go a little bit more formal or keep them divided, you can actually put a barrier in and keep them separate. Some of my favorite parts of the ground cover is it can be less maintenance. It can handle some traffic. So if your dog walks across it, or if you're walking across it, it can withstand that and still look really nice. These are also known as lawn alternatives. We'll use these sometimes in our gaps and in places that can be a little bit harder to maintain. I also like how they can make things look really natural, where they'll grow over top of the rock and you won't be able to tell where one rock stops and the next one starts. So they can blend into the landscape and make things look really natural. Sometimes against the edge of a pond. We don't want the mulch blowing in, but we don't want that ring of gravel all the way around the outside that doesn't look real natural, right? These ground covers just fill that in and look very, very nice. You know, just a few of the different ground covers that we have here is the ajuga. It's got this red leaves on it, stands up a little bit taller. That's mixed with some thyme, which is a little bit more low growing and gets little purple flowers on it. I really like the mazas. That really seems to have a nice bright green on it. Our creeping tradescanthia and some creeping strawberries. You know, those creeping strawberries, they are edible. They don't taste as good as the regular ones that you get or grow, but they do have a really nice, pretty flower on them. The one thing about using ground covers, you got to put them in, and the first year they're gonna sleep a little bit. Next year they'll creep, and the third year they'll be really leaping and filling in. And I really like using them. I like using them in sometimes some difficult places where we just want to fill in. I really like using them to make everything look natural. So Becky has a lot of additional ground covers and lawn alternatives that we use. So if you have any questions, please put it in the comments below. Please remember to like and subscribe. And until next time, keep building your outdoor dreams.